Hi everyone, welcome back to What About Learning. My name is Aniket and this is our third lecture on Industry Ready Power Automate series. So in this lecture, I'll be talking about how to set up Power Automate on your desktop. So let's get started. Microsoft already gives you Power Automate installed. In case you are not seeing it in your apps, what you can do is simply go to Google and type Power Automate desktop download. Okay. You'll see this link. Just click over it. After clicking here, just scroll a bit down. You'll see download the Power Automate installer. Click on it. Click on it. So once your download has been completed, just double click on it. So the reason I downloaded from Google is once you download it from Microsoft Store, you don't get the option to install Runtime Machine app. It will simply download Power Automate Desktop to you. So we want to install Runtime Machine as well so that we can connect it to cloud and run desktop flows. So I'll just check everything and click on install. So after the installation, you'll see a screen like this. It is asking you to enable extensions. You can choose any of the browser and click on it and enable the extension. After this, you can directly launch Power Automate Desktop. So it will ask you to sign in. So I'll quickly put my details and sign into Power Automate Desktop. So the first screen you will see will be something like this. Okay. So I'll quickly overview of the screen. Here you see few examples, that is for Excel automation, web automation, desktop automation, where it has demonstrated how you can do certain kind of automation, data time handling, PDF automation, text manipulation. These are the things we'll be going through later on. So basically, we will be moving to flow section. There will be making our new flows. So before we move on to making new flows, I'll tell you how the runtime application works and what is the need of our automate runtime machine. You can Also, you cannot connect a Power Automate runtime machine with a personal account. There has to be an organizational account. You can use a free drive and then you can connect your Power Automate runtime machine. We'll click on refresh. First, we'll click on refresh. After we'll choose an environment. After choosing an environment, it will start registering the machine for the specific environment. So now you'll see a screen something like this, that the machine has been registered and all the details of the machine coming over there, and also the machine environment. If you don't have a work account, you can skip this part. It won't affect much in our learning because mostly we'll be learning about Power Automate Desktop. So the main reason I installed Power Automate Runtime Machine was that it helps you to connect from cloud to desktop. Okay. So if you don't have this runtime machine installed, you won't be able to call your desktop flow from cloud. So now we'll go to Power Automate desktop. We'll simply click on new flow. For now, we won't be enabling any power effects. First, we'll start without power effects. Then we will move on to power effects. Okay. So a new screen will pop up and it will take some time to load. So just like in any programming language, we'll simply put out a message box. Like, okay. Yep. So you got your first display message printed through Power Automate desktop. So in the next lecture, I'll be showing you this actions panel variable. What are the input and output variables? What are flow variables? Where can we use them? What is the use of UI element? What is image gallery? And how everything works in Power Automate desktop. That's all for today. See you in the next lecture of Industry Ready Power Automate series.